create a package in Java. So a package is basically a collection of files and classes that are useful for some specific purpose, or I should say some specifically general purpose if that exists. So such as there's a basic package called IO package in Java, and that package has all the functions and classes related to input and output operations in Java. So here today I want to create a package named shapes, and that package would contain methods and classes which would return me the area and perimeter of any shape that I want. So here's how you would do it. To create a package, first you need to create a directory, because a package is a directory by its definition. So let me switch to desktop. Here, I'll create a package called shapes. Now remember, a package name should always start with lowercase. Now let me switch to shapes. Now I'll create a file called square.java which will contain methods that will return me the area and perimeter of a square of a given length. So I guess shapes is here. Let's open you up, shapes. Yep. So okay, so here's square.java, and since square.java is a part of the shapes package, the first line in the square.java file, this Java file, would be package shapes, followed by a semicolon, which signifies that this file is a part of the package shapes. Now I would go ahead, create the square class, and first method get perimeter. What does a square have? Just length. So int length, return 4 times length. Another function would be to get area int length, return length times length. I hope this works. We'll see. So yep. Now let me run this file. Yep, compiled successfully. Now let me go back to the terminal. Let me get out of the shapes folder. So I'm back on desktop again. Now let me create a main file where I would like to read the length of the square and get area and perimeter of the square. So let's create a file, main.java. So my main.java is here. Okay. So since I want to use a method from the package shapes, I need to import shapes. Another important thing, your class name should always start with a capital letter. And when you're importing a package, if you're importing the whole package, you need to put a dot star in front of it. Why? Because that's how people do it. It's a expression. So, and if you aren't, if you're only if there's a folder that you're importing, you need to put a star in front of it. And if you're just importing a specific class, then you don't need to put a star in front of it. So maybe I just need shapes.square. I don't need to put a star in front of it. It's fine. I'm importing the whole thing, so why not? Posting rule, wow, no. So I create a main class. The tab line is irritating sometimes, but that's fine. We will work with it. So yeah, I need scanner. Scanner. I need to read the, okay. Um, okay, now I just need to get the area. So let me get the perimeter first. Perimeter is shapes dot square dot get perimeter. The length is length, and I would also like to get the area. So get area. Yep, yep, no problem. Let's print them all out. Okay, moment of truth. Let's run I need to enter the length of the square. What should be the length of my square? I know, 9. Perimeter 36, area 81. Ooh, okay. So that's it. That's how you create a package and use it.